Yeah, what I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to show you how I make oats. I see an awful lot of people like stirring oats and cooking oats and putting them on the pot and really just making a cement out of oats. So this morning I'm going to demonstrate how we make oats. I'm going to use a hat and I'm going to use a jar like this or a tub like this, but I'm going to nestle them in a hat. So you take you get best results with this with rolled oats, like whole rolled oats, and realistically you just pour the water in, cover them over. You can do this out here. Not much luck with the other camera. Yeah, the kettle's happy anyway. This morning. Yeah. I've never done it in this. I always do it in like a steel or it's a type of earthenware. But we're gonna try this today. I'm just gonna pop that in there. Now it's all about time. I would say like it's the amount of time it takes you to go have a shower. But I usually put them in a dish at home. And from the dish, oh my God, that's perfect. Couldn't have asked for better. Could not have asked for a better result there. Superb. Yeah, I normally do them in an earthen dish with an earthen small plate on top of them. And I just leave them for 20, 30 minutes, not 20 to 30 minutes, about 15 minutes is long enough. But I'm going to leave it in that hat because the glass is cold and all, it's already lost a bit of its abilities, but because it's capped off, it should work just the same. I'm quite confident it's going to work the same as normal. And what happens is you get just nice puffy oats. The oats will all absorb the boiling water, puff out, and they're just perfect. You put a little bit of honey on top, and they're the nicest oats. If you're not into the cementy oats that you see people making, like the ready break stuff, yeah, I was inspired by that. I was watching somebody was rambling on. I was watching him making oats the other day, so this is where this comes from, is maybe to just demonstrate a different way of doing the oats. Oh, I am looking forward to this coffee. I know, I had many different options, and I said, do you know what? I will carry the glass, and I will not break the glass, and I will have French press coffee this morning. And I am happy I did. This is going to wake me up way too much, though, I think. Will I have the flask? That is actually a good idea. Use the last bit of that water. Nice. Just to preheat the flask. Nice. Oh. Maybe a bit too much coffee in there, but are we getting away with it? I think we are. Oh, we're definitely at the limits. Nice. Oh, yeah. Coffee goodness. I do like the morning. I like this time. There's nobody in the forest. There's no noise of traffic. Nothing going on in the world. Oh, I need to throw that out. There we go. That was lucky. It's just perfect. I'm liking this. Things made to measure today. And let's just not knock over the coffee. Oh, the honey's having a hard time. At least it's not midwinter. Where the honey just doesn't move. Right, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee. And after I've enjoyed it, we'll do some more of something. Not sure what. I'll have it in a mug this morning as well. Now, let's see how the oats are getting on. Oh, look. They've totally puffed out. Ooh. See? Look at them. Puffy. Now, what we'll do with the oats, we're going to just chuck a lot of honey on them. Find our leaf spoon. And you'll see them, look at them. They're just totally puffy, right? They're really just all free and lovely. I don't know how you like yours. Some people like yogurt on there, but I like some lactose-free milk. And that's that done. And then I'll stir them now with the honey in them. Now, have a look at them. Tell me what you think of that. Isn't that nice?